It is Tuesday the 12th. Again, we're still here. We just arrived back at the farm. The weather has turned foul. It's chilly and rainy-ish. So we brought our little Herbert back to see his parents. And he's quite calm in his cage. And we're ready to get busy and get treated by his dad, hopefully, get fed. Anyway. Go. We're here, Herbert. Right, so Herbert, here's Dad. They're blue and white. It's going to feed our Herbert. Herbert's very excited about being back. Yay. Yay. So Dad's ready to give Herbert something to eat, but Herbert is too excited. Hey, Dad. Whoop. Come here, come here, come here, come here. Come here. Here we go, darling. Here we go. Yay. Well done, my darling. Mwah. Good baby. Good baby. Here we go. Here's Daddy. Come on. Yeah, come on, Dad. Whoop. Be careful, darling. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Whoop. Hello. 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 What are you doing? You're all over the place now, aren't you? What are you doing? Whoop, whoop. Not on there. No, 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 not there. Come on. No, no, get on there. Come on. Not on the lights. Come on. Come on. Hang on, I've got to put this phone down. Let me tell them, Jack. I'm just going to check on them. How you doing, you two? Hello, darling. Nothing to see yet, right? Good girl, good boy, Jack. Yeah. Let's check on Sarah. Oh. Hey, Sarah, how's your little one? You right, darling? Good girl. Oh, she doesn't want to move, so I'm not going to disturb her now. I see your baby under your wing. Right there, I can spot your baby. Hang on. Just slight little touch of paint there under your right wing. Right, darling? Good girl. Okay, leave your feet. Hello. 5 eggs. Right, that is Braveheart giving baby little Herbert some sustenance. Oh, finally figured it out. Alright, I'm going to leave him to it while I go feed the outside Aviary and get the seed. Just put some spinach out, fresh water. The seed will be next, but there's like the clean water in the tray. I found they do love playing in the spinach bag, it's so funny. And with fresh water they can have a nice little drink and a bit of water. It's a bit chilly today, it's cooler today. It was sunny this morning, but it's now back to overcast, rainy and cold on the 12th of November 2024. Yeah, we're liking the water today. And the spinach, got a little slide going there. you talking about today, my darling? What's that all about? Huh? Bam Bam? What? You got news? What? What are you trying to tell me? Hi. What? You want the spinach badly? Hey? Hello, darling. Can't quite make out what this urgent news is from Bam Bam. Hey, baby. Are you finding it a bit chilly? You don't want to take... What do you think? Huh? Hello. Look at you. We are loving the water today. Hello, you too. You saw this? I'm popular. Swimming pool's busy, isn't it? Yes, it is. Look at you. You silly. Very lively today. I haven't seen this much animation from them for a while. It's lovely to see. Very enthusiastic. They love the spinach bag. Love the spinach. Love the texture. Love the water. They keep changing the water because they just let themselves go. Okay? Yeah. Hello. Hello everybody. How are we doing today? Happy Tuesday. Thank you. Hello, darling. I'm going to leave the bag there so they can have a nice time with the bag. They like rolling in the spinach, fluffing up. They like this plastic feeling on their claws. They are just a funny bunch. So funny. It makes them have fun. So the challenge is to get them in for the night because it's going to be very cold. I need you all to start making your way inside, please. Inside the... Come on, got to get into the shelter. Come on. There's plenty of space in there once you go find your spots. Go on. Come on, everybody, inside. I'll give you another 5 minutes and then you've got to go in. Okay? And there's our little Herbert having a backpack. You're going to come home with me tonight again, my darling. Yes, you are. And there's Brownie up here. Hello, Brownie. You all right? Here's my little Herbert at home with me. Trying to get the image shot, but there's little Herbie having a snooze. Aren't you, my darling? You sure are. You've fallen asleep. I can't get it sharp.